as light through broken beams. Every word we kept caught fire, sparks that climbed and never tired. You wore the dawn beneath your skin, held the door on where I'd been. I thought we'd carved our names in stone till the letters wore down to bone. Every scar's a constellation,